All right, with a spin on the color wheel, it isn't very hard to spruce up your home, right? And you can get all the tips you need at the upcoming Health, Home and Garden Expo. Faye Winters here and also Simone Mahabir, and they're going to tell me some more about what will be happening. Morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Faye, I'm going to start with you.
Sure.
Started in 2000.
2000.
Can you imagine
yes,
this? 17 years later. So tell me what's going to happen this year when I walk into HHG.
It's the usual fabulous display of booths with an array of everything you might want for your home, your garden, for health. And we have the usual children's village, the artist village. This year, we're going to have something new on the Friday evening where we're going to have something on the mezzanine, which is called Mingling on the Mezzanine.
Okay.
And that's the place to be after work. So we'll have something special there for persons coming from work. But we have the activities, as you know, because you're familiar with it. Talks and demonstrations, workshops, all sorts of activities. It's a very active exposition.
I like it because Christmas is coming.
Oh, yeah.
And what it does, Simone, is it gives you a chance to get a jump start on what needs to happen. H&L, Rapid True Value, I know, is a big sponsor.
H&L Rapid True Value, as well as H&L Agro, we are the title sponsors of this year's HHG show, and we're definitely so very happy to be a part of the show because we know it's always an extraordinary event. We know that it's an event where a lot of persons, as you say, they come and they want their solutions, they want their ideas because they're now looking around for what's new, what's next for Christmas. And of course, H&L, we have a wide array, we have all the ideas, we have all the solutions to give to our customers and potential customers who will be there.
Is it wise to walk with your money from now? Because what I like about these expos phase that you usually get great prices that you probably can't.
A lot of things are on sale.
Yeah.
Not just in the artist village, but in a number of the booths.
Right.
So it's good to walk with your money.
Yeah. And Simone, for people who, we're looking at some of the booths here. I know that in the store itself, there are decor experts. So if you go in, there's always someone to help. Will the experts be there during the expo? If I walk with a picture in my room and say, this is what it looks like, is there somebody to help me?
Well, that's just one of the things that we'll definitely have on board is to have different experts within different areas. So we'll have paint experts, we'll have tile experts, we'll also have decor experts that can assist you, guide you as best as possible in giving you tips, giving you ideas as to how to go about resetting your home. Of course, at H&L, we cater for every area of the home, you know. We teach you how to renovate, how to decorate, how to grow, how to protect, how to harvest.
Yeah.
You know, so we offer so many things.
We saw some beautiful gardens on screen a while ago, Faye. Also, we saw a lot of artisan work, which is very nice. And you get a nice painting, some nice ceramic and put it in your house.
The best of Jamaican art and craft.
Yeah. There's a Healthy Street.
There's Healthy Street.
Tell me about Healthy Street.
And on Healthy Street, several health companies will be displaying their products and their services. And we also have health talks. On the Saturday evening, we have women's health, and that's a popular session. And then on the Sunday evening, we have men's health, and they're health doctors who different areas, specialists in different areas, and they will be there to answer any questions.
How do people access the expo? What dates, times, and how do we get in?
It's next weekend, last weekend in October, 27th to the 29th, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it opens 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
And it just costs $600 for adults and $250 for children.
All right, decorating workshops, gardening workshops, booth displays. I'm looking forward to the H&L booths. One big booth. Tell me, Simone, give me some of the secrets. What's going to be on display?
Huge booth, and there's a lot that we're going to be releasing. So we mentioned Christmas. So this is really the launch of Christmas for us. H&L is launching Christmas right there at the HHG show. So in addition to all the different demos and tips and seminars, we'll have lots of giveaways because we know that patrons to HHG, they come and they want to get something.
Yeah.
So of course, we'll be doing a lot of spot prizes, a lot of giveaways that will be taking place there. You just may be getting your first H&L, your Christmas catalog when you get out there as well too. That will show you your products, that will definitely offer you a lot of discounts that we have for the season just in time.
Yeah, the catalog.
And it's H&L as well will be doing a lot, but also all the other booths.
We'll be there
are
as
several
well.
booths, and they'll
I'm
be
going to give you a
doing-
quick chance to plug some of your sponsors, your other
Sure.
sponsors.
Our other sponsors are Evergrow Garden Center. Let me make sure I don't miss any. Evergrow Garden Center, Singer Jamaica Limited, and they are also Furniture of America, which is a line carried by Singer. Unique Living and Gruy, and BH Paints and Grace, and of course HHG Magazine.
Yes, nice. One of the things I like about Rapid True Valley as well, before it was a lot about paint and other things, but now you can just almost lift a room out of the store.
Definitely.
I've seen a lot more of that happening. Are we going to be seeing more of those things on display?
You will
as
be
well?
seeing room settings as
Room
well. So you get when you get there, you're going to be able to envision what your home can be looking like. So if it's from your bedroom to your bathroom to your kitchen, to your garage, even to your garden. We cater for all areas of the home, and we have every possible product that you can think of. Yeah. So we're there to support you all the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the audience feedback like every year?
has been
When it's done, what do
very-
people say about the event?
Oh, they love it. And that's why this event has stayed alive so long.
Yeah, 17 years.
Right,
Yeah.
because we have exhibitors, like H&L has always been there from the start.
Yes.
And we have several exhibitors who have been there from the start. And then we have patrons who just look forward to this show. You asked about bringing pictures of your homes, and that's true. You're welcome to bring pictures of your homes, especially to whether the garden or the interior of your home, for the garden session and the decorating session. And there will be experts there willing to sit with you and go through your pictures and advise.
My picture is going to be a piece of ground. There's no
good.
garden there.
That's good.
But when I leave home,
You might win a garden. The Evergrow is giving
Makeover.
away a garden,
Okay, God
so
bless
who
God.
knows? You
Bless
may win
God.
that.
And
Make-
H&L is giving away a whole a
H&L is giving-
makeover for you. So a shopping spree, really.
Right.
Valued at
And there are
US
lots of-
$1,000. So nobody wants to miss that. Yes, ma'am.
every day, make
And
sure
there are
you're
lots
there.
of other
Yes.
giveaways.
And you know,
lots of
Jamaica, Christmas
prizes.
will come, we have to spruce up.
That's
so make
right.
sure that you go. Wonderful having you, ladies.
Oh, thank
We're going
you.
to talk some more about what's going to be happening with Neville, coordinator of the Health, Home and Garden Expo, Faye Wind, and Marketing and Corporate Communications Manager of Hardware and Lumber, Simone Mahabir. Nebs?
All right, so if you want to do it yourself and get your hands dirty or colorful, Mr. Cornell Drummonds, Assistant Store Manager of H&L Rapid True Value, is here to show you how to get it done. Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. These are not colors.
No, they're actually bases that we use to tint based on the design of or the color that you really need.
So you don't sell colors.
No, we don't sell color. We just carry the base, and then all bases are white, and then we have our tinting station that will tint the color based on your choice.
So if I want this color behind me,
Right.
how you know what to do?
Well, we have our fan deck here that has about 1,300 colors within the list.
And
so
that
we use our
tells you
fan deck.
what to mix and how to mix and stuff?
Well, based on the color, then our machine basically will drop the increments of what you need to get your color.
Weather All and Easy Care. I suspect Weather All would be for outside.
Yes, it is.
Talk to me about that.
So there is the Easy Care, that is for inside. The Easy Care comes in 4 different sheen levels. Comes in a flat, which is matte, eggshell finish, which is a slight sheen. It's in between the flat and the low sheen. Satin, which is a low sheen, and semi-gloss.
Okay. So any color I want. I
Any
can get.
color.
I
As
just-
our motto say, dream a color, tell us about the dream, and we can make the color for
And
you.
you can get it exactly.
Exactly as what you dream.
So what? Oh. So we need to sell paint and done, yeah, no?
Well, it's actually paint we're selling, but we
it's-
give you the
it's-
choice.
It's the base.
Exactly.
And these would be the same thing. What the small fellow is what?
It will be the same thing. We carry quart as well as gallon.
Oh,
and
it's
we
just a
also,
size.
Right. And we carry the 5 gallon as well.
How long it would take you if I come in and I say, boy, I want this like a blue? How long it would take you to mix up the thing?
It will take me about probably 5 minutes. I mean, we're going through the process of making sure that the color you select is what you want. And then to have it tint, 5-10 minutes stops.
Oh, and it will last.
And
obviously.
it will last. Once your preparation is done properly, because preparation is the key to how your color comes out.
What
at
you
the
mean
end.
by preparation?
All right, meaning that you will need to prime the wall, remove any sheen that's there dull. Make sure it's free from dust.
Make it kind of flat and...
That's correct.
And if it's matte, like something like you want it to be something like that.
Right. And then based on that, once your preparation is done properly, then you go ahead and apply your paint.
Okay. I said at the top that I can, if you want to do it yourself, I can do it myself, or I have to do it with you. So
No, you'll have to let us do it, because it's something that is a little bit technical, that you'd have to know exactly how to and what to add to the paint to get to your color.
Okay, fantastic. And where do I find this? Huh? I know H&L, but which one?
At the lane store.
Lane store.
And I must add that, I mean, apart from the base and the colors that we do, we carry primer as well, and a wide assortment of tools that you need in terms of your brush and everything to make your home.
So the primer would be the first thing that you...
It will be the first thing that you need to apply.
Mr. Drummond, I know these things, you know. I know primer. I'm very associated with primer. Fantastic. So you're at the Lane store?
At the Lane store.
All right. Assistant Store Manager of H&L Rapid True Value at the Lane store, Mr. Cornell Drummonds. We click on the topic of online petitions after the break. Stay with us, please. More on Smile in just a little while.